Hi, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Chidanand, a final year BMS student. In previous class, we started Maharasa. Among that, we completed Abraka. Okay, Maharasas are 18 number. We completed one among that. That is Abraka. We completed. Repeat this sloka once again. अभ्रवैक्रांत माक्षिक विमलाद्रिज सस्यकम चपलो रसकश्चेति ज्ञात्वा अष्टौ संग्रहेत रसान. Totally Maharasas are 8 in number. Okay, among that we discussing second must know question, that is Makshika. What is this Makshika? Introduction में क्या लिखोगे? It is one among the Maharasa. It is one among the Maharasa. It is also called as copper pyrite. Copper pyrite or chalcophyrates. It is called as copper pyrite or chalcophyrates. Okay. Formula of the Makshika is CuFeS2. CuFeS2. Here it contains copper, iron as well as sulfur. Okay, this is the source. Chalcophyrates are the source for copper, iron as well as sulfur. Okay, color is golden yellow in color. Golden yellow in color. Okay, this is the Makshika. Golden yellow color होता है. Okay. It is important source of copper, iron, sulfur. 35% of the copper is obtained by Makshika and 30% of iron is obtained by the Makshika and 35% of the sulfur is obtained by the Makshika only. Okay. That's why chalcophyrates are important sources for copper, iron as well as sulfur. Pariyaya, synonyms of the Makshika. Suvarnamakshikam, Swarnamakshikam, Hemamakshikam. Suvarnamakshikam, Swarnamakshikam, Hemamakshikam. Makshikam, Makshikam Chaiva, Tappenja Dhatu Makshikam. Here, this shloka explains the different synonyms of the Makshika. They are Swarnamakshika, Hemamakshika, Makshika, Tappenja, and Dhatu Makshikam. These are synonyms of the Makshika. Okay. Types of Makshika. Now we discuss types of Makshika. They are two in number. Swarna Makshika as well as Rajata Makshika. Swarna Makshika is CuFeS2 and Rajata Makshika is Fe(S2). Swarna Makshika, it is also called as chalcophyrates, and Rajata Makshika, it is also called as iron pyrite. Okay, iron pyrite is a Rajata and chalcopyrite is the Swarna Makshika. Depending upon color, color के आधार पर three types. They are Pita Makshika, Shukla Makshika and Rakta Makshika. Here the Pita Makshika is the Swarna Makshika and Shukla Makshika is the Rajata Makshika and Rakta Makshika is the Kamsha Makshika. Okay, these are three types based on the color, depending upon the color. Okay, now we discuss Grahya Lakshana of Swarna Makshika. Grahya Lakshana explains that the mineral is pure. इस ग्राह्य लक्षण का कौन सा क्वालिटीज होता है ना, वो है तो वो मिनरल क्या है, प्योर है, शुद्ध. ओके. स्निग्धम गुरु श्यामल कांति किंचित कशे सुवर्ण दधतीषु प्रकाशम कोणंचित स्वर्ण समान वर्ण सुवर्ण माक्षिकमिह प्रशस्तम. This shloka explains that Suvarna Makshika having the smooth, heavy in nature and Shamalakanti, Krishna Varna. Shamalakanti means Krishna Varna. Kinchit kare Suvarnam Atisu Prakashakam. The luster is like a golden yellow. It is like the golden yellow in color and it is divide up kona. And as well as it having the samana varna, it having the samana varna, and suvarna makshika prashastam. That suvarna makshika is pure and can use for medicinal purpose. Okay. Agrahya lakshana of suvarna makshika means it is not good for health. When you consume this, it may cause any side effects. Okay. Agrahya lakshana, it is kara lagu having kona and luster of karaloha. Okay. It is kara means it is rough in nature, it is light in nature and having kona, it is but grahya suvarna makshika is devoid of kona, but it is having the kona, it is agrahya lakshana. Okay. And luster of karaloha, but in the grahya lakshana of the makshika is it shines or it lusters like the golden yellow color, but agrahya lakshana says that so luster of the karaloha, it having the luster of the rough metals. Okay. This is grahya and agrahya lakshana of swarna makshika. Now we discuss grahya lakshana of rajata makshika. Snigdam sakonam gurucha vartulam rajatojvalam raupyavat kachikadyam jatyam taudraupya makshikam. This shloka says that rajata makshika, it is smooth in nature, it is having the kona. Okay. It is not devoid of kona, it have the kona, and it is gurucha heavy in nature, and vartula, it is round in nature, and rajatojvalam, it shines like the silver. Raupyavat kajajit adam jatyam taudraupya makshikam, that it is called as rajata makshika, that is select for the medicinal purpose. Okay. This is grahya lakshana of suvarna makshika as well as rajata makshika. Important. Okay. Now after selecting the dravya, after selecting the pure dravya, now shodhana has to be done pure before used for the medicinal purpose. You have to do the shodhana means purification. Okay. The svedana of swarna makshika in eranda taila and matulunga swarasa in dola yantra. Svedana karma has to be done with the help of eranda taila and matulanga swarasa in dola yantra. Then makshika is purified. Okay. Makshika becomes pure. After shodhana, you have to do basma, right? If you want to prepare the basma, the procedure has to be done is marana of the makshika. Shloka says that matulungambu gandhabhyam pishtam mushodare stitam panchakroda putair mriyante makshikam kalu. This shloka explains that makshika and gandhaka are taken in equal quantity. Makshika and gandhaka are taken in equal quantity and grounded well with the help of matulunga swarasa as the bhavana dravya, and makshika, gandhaka and matulunga swarasa are grounded well in kalva yantra. Make it as pishtaparm. Pillets are made and it is kept in mushodare stitam. Means it is kept in musha yantra. After that panchakroda putair dagdham, this kept in musha and varaha puta is given. Which puta? Varaha puta is given in makshika basma preparation. मारना करना है तो कौन सा पुटा? यहाँ पे वराह पुटा. अब्रक में कौन सा पुटा यूज किया था हमने? गज पुटा यूज किया था, है ना? याद रख लो, एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस. ओके. पंचक्रोड पुटैर दग्धम म्रियन्ते माक्षिकम कलु. This procedure is repeated for 5 times. How many times? This procedure is repeated for 5 times, then your basma is prepared, then your makshika basma is prepared. And the color of the basma is similar to red lotus. The finally obtained basma is red in color, lotus red in color. Okay, this is makshika basma. This is about makshika basma. After after marana procedure, you have to do, if you want the extract of the makshika, if you want extract of the makshika, you have to do the sattva patana. Sattva patana. Swarna makshika is one part taken as one part. How many part? One part, and 1/4 of tankana is taken. Swarna makshika is one part and 1/4 part of the tankana is taken, and it is kept in musha and heat is given. It is kept in musha yantra and the heat is given. Copper is obtained as essence of the makshika. Copper is obtained as sattva of the makshika. Okay, this is sattva padana of the makshika. Now we discuss matra. डोसेज कितना मेंशन किया है क्लासिक्स में, मींस हाफ टू 2 रत्ती. हाउ मच? हाफ टू 2 रत्ती इज मेंशनड with anupana as ghruta and madhu. With anupana as ghruta and madhu. Okay, indications. It is indicated in pandu, kshaya, prameha, kushta, arshas and visha. In these conditions makshika basma is indicated. Formulations of makshika are Chandra Prabhavati, Mrutyunjay, Mahamrutyunjaya Rasa and Grahani Kapata Rasa. These are the formulations of the Makshika mineral. Okay, this is all about Makshika. It is must know question. Okay, now we discuss the next Maharasa, that is Adrija, or it is also called as shilajatu. सबको पता होता है शिलाजतु. जिम करने वाला सबको पता होता है शिलाजतु क्या है. ओके, Adrija, it is also called as shilajatu. It is one among the Maharasa. It is one among the Maharasa. In English, it is called as asphaltum punjabinum. It is also called as asphaltum punjabinum. It is not important. Remember, okay? MCQ question आ सकते हैं. Asphaltum punjabinum. When we split the word shilajatu, shila means rock or mountain. Shila means rock or mountain. Jatu means it is a resin. It is a resin. The resin obtained from the mountains, rock mountains. For example, Himalayan mountains. We obtain the shilajatu from Himalaya. Okay. It is black bitumen. It is black bitumen. Color of the shilajatu is blackish and shiny. Blackish and shiny in color. शिलाजतु कौन सा कलर में होता है? Blackish, shine करता रहता है. Okay. According to Charaka, mention किया है 4 types mention. 4 types of the adrija or shilajatu are mentioned by आचार्य चरका. And सुश्रुता कितने types बताया है? 6 types. सुश्रुता कितने types बताया है? 6 types of adrija are said by Sushruta and 4 types by the Acharya Charaka. Okay, remember this. Pariyaya. Pariyaya means the synonyms of the adrija are shiladatu. Shiladatu cha shaileyam, shilajam, shailadhatujam, shilamayah, shilasvedah, shilaniryasa ityapi. Here the synonyms are shilajatu, shaileya, shilaja, shailadhatu, shilamayam, shilasveda, shilaniryasa. These are synonyms of the adrija. Synonyms of the adrija. Okay. Sources. हम शिलाजतु तुमको चाहिए तो तुमको ढूंढना है तो कहाँ जाना पड़ेगा? हिमालय को जाना पड़ेगा यार, तपस्या करने के लिए नहीं, शिलाजतु ढूंढने के लिए. It is thick exudation. It is thick exudation found in Himalayan region. Found in Himalayan region. Okay. Now we discuss the types of shilajatu. Types of shilajatu. Okay. Now we discussed the types of shilajatu. According to order, smell के आधार पर it is divided into गोमूत्र shilajatu and कर्पूर shilajatu. गोमूत्र shilajatu and कर्पूर shilajatu. Shilajatu is smelled like गोमूत्र जैसे स्मेल आया तो वो गोमूत्र शिलाजतु, कर्पूर जैसे स्मेल आया तो वो कर्पूर शिलाजतु. गोमूत्र शिलाजतु and कर्पूर शिलाजतु. Okay. Again, gomutra shilajatu is divided into two types. How many types? Two types. Sasattva gomutra shilajatu and nisattva gomutra shilajatu. Again, gomutra shilajatu is divided into two types. Sasattva gomutra shilajatu or nisattva gomutra shilajatu. Okay, remember this is according to based on order. Order कौन सा आधार पर two types. Okay. Now we divide according to color. Depending upon the color, there are four types of shilajatu. How many types? Four types of shilajatu are adrija. They are swarnadrija, rajatadrija, tamradrija and lohadrija. Swarna, rajata, tamra and lauha. Okay. Here we discuss in detail. स्वर्ण गर्भ गिरिर जातो जात पुष्पा निभो गुरुः रौप्य गर्भ गिरेर जातो मधुरम पांडुरा गुरुः ताम्र गर्भ गिरेर जातो नीलवर्णम गणम गुरुः. This shloka explains the properties and the sources of swarnadrija, rajatadrija and tamra adrija. Okay. Here they are saying that Swarna Garbha Girir Jato, where the gold rich mountains, there is obtaining of Swarna Adrija. It is looks like Japa Pushpa Nibo Guruhu. Japa means hibiscus flower, red hota hai na. It looks like Japa Pushpa Nibo Guruhu and it is heavy in nature. This is about Swarna. Okay, this is about Swarna. Next, we discuss Raupya Garbo Girir Jado Maduram Panduram Guruhu. Where Raupya means silver. Raupya means silver कहाँ होता है ना, वहां पे क्या होता है? रजता अद्रिज होता है. रजता, where the silver rich mountain, there may be occurrence of the rajata adrija, and it is sweet in and pandura guruhu, it is also heavy in nature. And tambra garbha, where the place is rich in tambra, there is occurrence of tambra adrija. It is neela varna, it is bluish in color, ghana, solid, and it is heavy in nature. This is about the tambra adrija. The last one, that is lauha adrija or loha adrija. It is black in color. This is about the types of the shilajatu. Okay. Grahya lakshana. Pandura sikatakaram karpurabam shilajatu. Pandura sikatakaram karpurabam shilajatu. The shilajatu is pandu varna and it smells like karpura. It smells camphor, पता है ना camphor, 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 उसके जैसे स्मेल आता है शिलाजतु का. ओके, दिस इज ग्राह्य लक्षण ऑफ द शिलाजतु. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू डू द शोधना, प्यूरिफिकेशन ऑफ शिलाजतु. ऐसे ही माउंटेन से लाग के हम यूज नहीं कर सकते, उसको क्या करना पड़ता है? प्यूरिफिकेशन करना पड़ता है, शोधना करना पड़ता है. क्षाराम्ल गोजलैर दौतम शुद्धयत्येव शिलाजतु. The washing of shilajatu are adrija in kshara, ambla and gojala. Kshara, ambla and गोमूत्र में क्या करेंगे? उसको वॉश करेंगे. Then it becomes pure. Okay. Based on that, we divide shodhita adrija into two types. How many types? Two types. They are Shuryatapi adrija and Agnitapi adrija. Suryatapi adrija means when after Shodhana procedure, after Shodhana of the Shilajatu, the final product we obtain, that is Shodhita Shilajatu, right? When the Shodhita Shilajatu, the final product after Shodhana, if it is dried under sun, then it is called as Suryatapi Shilajatu. And Agnitapi means the Shodhita Shilajatu, the final product after Shodhana, it is boiled and reduced to thick consistency. Boiled and reduced to thick consistency. This is obtained by the Agni Sannikarsha. Agni Sannikarsha, that is called as Agnitapi Shilajatu. So, सन के अंदर ड्राई किया तो सूर्यतापी, अग्नि मेथड से यूज किया तो अग्नितापी शिलाजतु. ओके. Now, Maharana. If you want to prepare the basma of the shilajatu, we have to do the Maharana. Silaya gandatalabhyam matulunga rasena cha pudito hi siladatum riyate ashtagirindakaihi. This shloka explains that you have to take the shilajatu and gandaka and haratala. It is taken with matulunga swarasa and ground well. It is taken and shilajatu, gandaka and haratala. Shilajatu, gandaka and haratala it is, and with matulunga swarasa as the bhavana dravya, it is taken in kalva yantra and it is ground well and pellets are formed. Then you have to give the heat by using the Musha yantra. How much heat you have to give means Siladhatum Briyante Ashtagirindakaihi. You have to give the heat about 8 upla. Okay. Then the heat is given. After that, the Shilajatu Basma is prepared. Okay. Now, शुद्ध शिलाजितु को कैसे खोजेंगे हम? शुद्ध शिलाजितु को कैसे खोजेंगे मीन्स शिलाजतु मतम तिक्तम विपाके कटुकम तथा मूत्रलंज विशेषेण योगवाही रसायनम. These are properties of शुद्ध शिलाजतु. These are properties of शुद्ध शिलाजतु. शुद्ध शिलाजतु is tikta. Rasa is tikta. Tikta rasa. Vipaka is katu vipaka. And it acts as mutrala. They said as mutrala means diuretics. It acts as diuretics and synergics, yoga bhai, and it acts as rasayana. It acts as nourishing therapy. Okay. This is properties of Shuddha Shilajatu. Matra to general dosage. Okay. 2 to 8 is mentioned and Anupana is Dugdha, Takra and Mamsarasa as per indication. Okay. As per indication Anupana use कर सकते हैं तुम. It is indicated in means Shilajatu Basma is indicated in Rasayana, Mutrala, Yogavahi, Apasmara, Udara, Kushta, Krimi. In these conditions, you can use the Shilajatu. Okay. Yoga means formulations. Formulations of Shilajatu are Aragyavardhini Rasa, Chandraprabhavati, Prabhakaravati, and Yogaraja Rasa. These are formulations of the Shilajatu. Okay. This is all about the Adrija. In Maharasa, the must-know questions are Abraka, Makshika, and Adrija. These three are must-know questions we completed. Okay. This is all about Shilajatu. If you have any doubts, comment below. Video अच्छा लगा तो like, comment, share, subscribe कर लो. If you want handwritten notes, join my Telegram. Link in my description. Thank you.